Don't worry, we'll come, but we won't help you with anything.
No.
We know you're a big boy.
I can't do that.
In your room.
Dad? Hey, what's in there? Hey,
What is it?
what is it?
What is it?
It's a big boy bed.
For you?
Get in it.
Test it out. I'll hold that for you.
I got to try it out. It feels lumpy. It feels lumpy.
Lumpy.
No, it feels fluffy.
Oh, fluffy.
Yeah. It feels sick.
Are you gonna lie down in it?
No. I'm too big. It's just long tires. It's like a car.
It's a race car bed.
Yeah. I can go over it. Jump.
Yeah.
Go back. Go down the big hill.
Jump back in it. Oh,
I'm too big. I'm too big.
You're too big.
Too big.
no, you're not.
I'm too big for this.
What do you say? What do you say for the bed?
Thank you. I
You're welcome.
need the phone and I just need to try it for a minute.
Okay.
The then can go back downstairs.
Just go to bed right now.
There you
It feels
go.
nice.
It feels nice?
Yeah.
Comfy?
You need to say.
What's the dino say? Says, this bed's awesome, buddy.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's your very own special bed
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
for big boys.
Very special.
Now you can get up in the night and go potty all by yourself. Right?
Yeah. It's a nice one.
And you're the only person in the world with this bed.
Mm-hmm.
It's the only one. Did you see what it says at the front?
The friend.
Yeah, what's it say?
What's it say?
Read it.
I can't.
I'll turn around. Stand up.
What?
Look it. What's it say?
What's it say? Kellen bed.
That's right. Kellen's bed.
Kellen's bed.
That's the license plate for your car.
Yeah.
That way
It's
everyone knows
registered.
it's yours. Yeah. Registered to Kalen Ray Williams Poe. Big boy.